Hello everyone! In our last video, we explored Alberobello, which is famous for its unique Trulli houses. So far, we've visited 9 countries and made short documentaries with stunning 4K drone footage. If you missed any, check out our YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring Sorrento. Which is nearly 4-hour drive from Alberobello. Sorrento, located in southern Italy, is known for its breathtaking coastal views and vibrant cultural scene. In 2024, it has a population of around 17,000 residents. Nestled between the Gulf of Naples and the towering Sorrentine Peninsula Mountains, Sorrento offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and historical charm. The houses in Sorrento feature charming Mediterranean architecture with pastel-colored facades, wrought iron balconies, and terracotta roofs. These elements add to the town's picturesque and inviting feel. The city is famous for its luxurious open-air pools that provide incredible vistas of the surrounding landscape. It's the perfect place to relax and soak up the beauty. Driving in Sorrento can be a bit tricky. There are so many tourists walking around and frequent zebra crossings, which often cause traffic congestion. So be patient and enjoy the scenery. A must-visit spot is Mirante Porto de Sorrento. It offers panoramic views of the bustling marina and sparkling sea. The area is dotted with lively cafes where you can enjoy delicious local cuisine and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. The town of Sorrento is perched on a cliff, sitting slightly higher than the coast. This gives it breathtaking views of the Gulf of Naples and a unique charm. The scenic overlooks and terraces are simply stunning. Sorrento's wide coastal area is a hub of activity. The crystal clear sea attracts private boats and luxurious yachts, creating a picturesque scene. Huge, sophisticated cruises dock at the port, bringing waves of tourists eager to explore the town. These cruises are often huge in size, with sophisticated designs that offer a range of amenities and luxurious experiences for passengers. The coastline is lined with private beaches and elegant seaside resorts, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. the influx of visitors can lead to significant traffic near the port. Drivers need to navigate narrow streets and heavy pedestrian activity carefully. But the vibrant atmosphere and stunning coastal views make it all worth it. As the sun sets, Sorrento's streets come alive with enchanting energy. The warm glow of streetlights and the soft hues of the evening sky create a magical atmosphere. Cafes and restaurants buzz with activity, their terraces filled with locals and tourists enjoying meals and lively conversations. The silhouette of palm trees against the twilight sky adds a tropical charm, making Sorrento especially captivating at sunset. We hope you enjoyed this video. Next time, we'll travel to Trieste on the Italian border and then move into Slovenia. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. See you soon.